Hello everyone, it's Mudit and this is the ninth video of the game. So I'll quickly run the code and show you. And in this video I was supposed to show you how to make lights. So here it is. As you can see, this box is brighter at this side and darker at this side. So this is because the light source is facing that side, as you can see. So you can't actually program lights, but you can give an illusion in this way. You can make all the boxes that are all the sides of the boxes that are facing the light brighter. And this also happens when the boxes are smooth. When like if you have a tree, then even on that it will work. It's not just for flat faces. You can have like multiple faces and still like shade them smoothly. So this is how it is currently. You can make, if you make shadows right here, then it'll be proper. It'll look like it's an actual light source, even though it's just a approximation. It's just an approximation because in real there are millions of light bounces happening, and in the computer even one light bounce will be very like difficult to calculate. So that is what we can't actually do it the right way. We can just make approximations. So this is the first step. The terrain is not affected by the light currently, but the boxes are. So this is the reason it may look a bit weird. But when the game is a bit more advanced, then the terrain will be like it'll not be flat, right, like this. It'll be much more detailed, and then that is when it'll look proper. Like it'll look like it's actually being affected by light. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I will probably show you some mixing of images. So I will take this grass and I will take a mud image and I'll mix the grass image with the mud image. So we will finally get a bit like varied terrain. So finally the terrain can look a bit more detailed and a bit more mixed rather than just like plain like this simple green. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned because I'm going to post stuff regularly now onwards. So the game is going to get detailed very quickly once I make mixing images options, and after that I'll make some 3D grass probably, and then very quickly we'll come to advanced stuff as well. So it's not going to remain basic like this for very long. So thanks for watching and I'll see you all in the next video, and bye.